Make sure you use the new sanitizer.
Yep, already done. Looks like we are ready for the morning run.
Deep within the mega factory, the journey begins. We follow a single PET bottle as it navigates the high-speed conveyor towards the filler. Before bottling can begin, the factory receives its most vital ingredient, millions of liters of purified municipal water.
The incoming water is now stored before undergoing advanced purification.
The stored water begins its multi-stage purification journey, passing through multimedia and activated carbon filters before reaching the precision membranes. Precision blending is complete. The beverage now enters these high-capacity production tanks, processing thousands of liters every minute. The chilled water reaches the carbonation chamber, where food-grade CO2 is precisely injected. Carbon dioxide dissolves into the chilled water, creating the famous carbonation. Line pressure holding steady at 300 psi. Copy that, flow rate looks good on this end.
Scan complete. Tracking data uploaded to the main vault system.
Here in the primary blending area, the automated system continuously circulates the beverage mixture to achieve perfect consistency before carbonation. Flow rate on line 4 is dropping below spec. Adjust the pressure immediately.
Confirmed. Adjusting now. Levels are stabilizing.
The circulating syrup now enters the industrial cooling equipment before carbonation. Temperature is carefully controlled here.
Sample 7B analyzed.
Data confirms the calibration is holding steady.
These are the building blocks of every Coca-Cola bottle. The PET plastic preform, molded at incredible speeds. Filtered air circulates around the newly formed PET bottles to stabilize their shape and temperature before the inspection phase. The throughput on line 4 is exceeding targets by 3%.
I see that. Adjusting the torque settings now to match the increased velocity.
Approved bottles move into the drying system, preparing them for flawless label application. Powerful filtered air knives remoisture as
To ensure complete traceability, the computer-controlled laser marking equipment engraves a permanent batch ID onto the moving bottles.
The refractometer reads 10.4 on the aged sample.
That aligns with the control data we logged yesterday. Every Coca-Cola sample undergoes rigorous testing, ensuring unparalleled consistency and quality before it reaches the consumer.
Using high-tension film, the machine stabilizes the load, preventing damage during shipment.
Check the throughput on Sector Gamma. We are seeing a slight slowdown in AGV-22. Rerouting traffic now. We need to maintain the 4K pallet per hour target.
The route through the city center is clear for the next hour. All right, send the 3 trucks waiting at the depot.
All inbound deliveries confirmed for the afternoon run.
Confirmed. Dispatch. ETA 1600 hours.
Attention shoppers, we have a special on Coca-Cola products today, located in aisle 5. Thank you for shopping with us.
Here is your large Coca-Cola. Enjoy your meal.